How to redeem a Fortnite code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem a Fortnite code. So Fortnite code can be found in lots of places like from creators you follow, comic books, stores and much more. But here is the thing. Because Fortnite works across multiple platforms with just one Epic Games account, you can't redeem these codes directly on your console. Instead, you will need to use the Epic Games website. Now, just to clarify, this video isn't about redeeming a Fortnite V-Bucks card. So now without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening a web browser and head over to the fortnite.com/redeem. And if you are not already signed into your Epic Games account, you will need to create your account first. And once you are on the redeem page, simply type your code into the enter your code field and then click redeem, and you will see a message confirming what you are about to redeem. And once you have reviewed the reward details, simply click activate, and then you will see a success message letting you know that the code was redeemed successfully, and the item or reward will be available the next time you log into the Fortnite. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.